I was thinking of writing you another letter and asking you questions, like what's your favorite color?
Blue.
What kind of blue?
Dark blue.
What's your favorite kind of flower?
I'm sorry?
I guess you give men pocket watches and beer when they do something awesome. Not flowers. Silly question.
Roses, they're nice.
What color?
Blue.
There are no blue roses, naturally at least.
Yellow, then.
If you were a kind of
Oh,
animal,
Lord.
what kind of animal would you be?
A lion.
A lion?
You don't think I'm a lion?
Why a lion?
Lions are strong.
So are hawks.
So I'm a hawk.
More so than a lion.
But hawks eat mice. Innocent little mice.
Lions eat gazelles. Innocent
Oh,
little
no,
gazelles.
those gazelles had it coming. Who do they think they are, traipsing around eating grass like they're so special? And if you were a kind of animal, Maggie Reynolds, what kind of animal would you be?
A lone wolf. Or a flamingo.
Or a flamingo. That's great.
This is what I love.
What?
Us sitting and talking, just talking. The simple things.